Hello, how you guys doing? My name is Robin and this is my channel. Again, excitement is filling my ear. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I just love doing YouTube. I think when people start out doing YouTube, they start out with unboxings, makeup, beauty, cooking, whatever it is. And maybe they do it because they think they're gonna get rich quick, or they do it because they have time on their hands. No matter what the reason is, I think after doing YouTube for a while, they change their mind. Because you meet so many nice people on YouTube. You build so many friendships. And then sometimes you end up meeting these people in real life and becoming true friends. Well, today I am doing an unboxing, and I think this is the second time where we've just switched boxes. And the woman I'm talking about, her name is Lucia, and she has a channel called Laughing Without an Accent, and I will leave her link below. And oh God, maybe it was a year ago. I'll see if I can find that link and link it above. And she was just starting out, and she asked if I wanted to do kind of like a box exchange. And I said, sure. So we did a box exchange, and here it's like maybe a year later. And she's like, do you want to do another one? And I'm like, sure. So we just really have products that we just don't use. And maybe it's because we don't like them, and we have enough of them. Not because they're bad products, but it's just like, you know, how many of one thing can you get? And we ask each other their likes, their dislikes, and so maybe it's something that they'll like more than I like. So we decided to do that box exchange. So today I'm unboxing the box that she sent me. So I know a few of the products that are in the box, but I don't know all of them. So we decided we were going to do it on our YouTube channels and share it with you. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty. And if you want to do a box exchange, you find something you like on my channel, you just let me know. My Instagram is there, my email's there, so please feel free to use it. So I got my box, and I got my trusty, my scissors. So she sent it in a box, and then there was a box in a box. And then there were some products that were outside. So the first thing was by Luna, and it's taped up really nicely. And this is some lotion. So it's in a little pump, so I can put it by the sink. And it looks like it's got jasmine and sweet pea and berries. So definitely something that I will use. And then this looked like it might have melted. And I think she lives in California, I live in Arizona, and both our weathers have been very warm. So I think this might have melted. It's for dry skin, which I have, and it's wood sage and sea salt whipped body butter. So I'm gonna have to wipe it off, but definitely something I would use. And then there was something packaged, and this is hard for me to read, stimulation, and it's nitty gritty face and body polish. And I am a body polish kind of girl, so definitely gonna try that out. And then I got some masks. I got coconut oil, and I got Hawaiian sea salt conditioner. I don't know if this is for your hair. Yeah. Oh, she knows I love me a good hair mask. Oh, a shampoo, and a conditioner. Oh, yeah, she knows me. How fun is that? And then I got this, and I'm not sure what it is. It's probably some type of bag. You know, they open up. What do you think it is? I'm loving the outside. Very tropical. Oh, I love these kind of bags. You can bring them to the grocery store. Well, now you can't bring them to the grocery store. I don't think they were taking, you know, the bags, but you leave them in the car and then you take the grocery store bags and you can change them. Oh, loving this. And it's so my style. Now you know I ain't gonna get it back in there. So that was like on the outside of the box. And then she sent me this. So it's packed with goodies. Don't you just love doing friend exchange? And then Art of Tea, Happy Fruity Light Berry. Oh my God. My favorite is raspberry. Anything raspberry. Raspberry fudge, chocolate raspberry fudge. And the Art of Tea, and this is sweet raspberries, are perfectly balanced by the tangy effervescence of fresh hibiscus flower. Medium caffeine. So this is a 10. You're hitting out of the park, girlfriend. And then, oh, is this another bag? Oh, is that Rosie? Is that Rosie the Riveter? Awesome. Peeled snacks, gently dried fruit, organic. Yes. Ooh, what are these? Facial mask remover sponges. There's a set of 2, and I've never seen these. Are these the kind that you get wet and they just become huge? Wow, you've got to check out her channel. And let me tell you, she unboxes, she does a lot of book unboxings, skincare unboxings, what else does she do? Just every type of unboxing. Every time I turn around, she's unboxing another new box that I have to go and check out. It's like, I can't keep up with you. She's spending my money. And on top of it, she's very, very pretty. She's got beautiful hair. Trying to see what it says. Always choose dare. Look at this dish. And I'm definitely a little dish person because I have dishes by the sink. I have them by the couch because if I wear jewelry, I take off like my ring and stick it over there and stick it over there. Oh my God, this box is full. Scentsy Ghostly Greetings. I'm not sure what it is. What it smells like. Oh my God, whatever it is, it smells beautiful. Ooh. Simply Fuel protein balls, chocolate almond coconut. Oh. Then we got, it looks like a face mask. I've never seen this one before. It looks like it's hooked up to an IV. And there's a group of girls that does Face Mask Monday. And I keep saying, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. And I have yet to do it. So I have to try it. Oh, another IV mask. These look fun. Oh my gosh. And what's this thing? Cleanse Gourmet. Looks like it's like a powder, so I'm not sure if I have to mix it. It goes in the, oh, it's a shower steamer. So I don't know, you must have to open it because it's all mushy. I love my shower steamers. And I think I told her I love shower steamers. We got some bath bombs, Rainbow Glam bath bombs. Are these pumpkins? They're pumpkins. And we have Philip Kingsley deep conditioning treatment. I'm so running out of room. Palmolive classic scent. Is Palmolive the one that had Madge, where you would dip your fingers in and she would make your fingers? Does anybody remember Madge? Oh, and a little travel size scope. Love those little travel sizes. Oh, what's this? Kathy Rose Naturals grapefruit and mango. This is such a fun box. These boxes are better than subscription boxes. Ooh. It's a candle. And if you could smell it, you would want it, but you are not getting it. Then we have Jamaican Me Crazy Premium Handmade Soap. Ooh. And we have the O3 Soothe and Cool Peppermint and German Chamomile. I think it's a serum because I have it. So not mad at that. Oh my God, there's more. And I don't know how to pronounce this. We get it in a box. Wave spray. I don't know if it goes in your hair. Oh my God, and there's still more. Reusable silicone. It's a reusable silicone straw. Want to open it and see? I'm afraid it's gonna pop out. Okay. Oh, here's the straw. I use these. I drink. I've told people on my videos. It's Dr. Pepper cream soda mixed. It comes in a can, and you buy them in like 12. There's 12 to a case. And they're on sale. They used to be 4 for like $10.99. Now they're 3 for $14. So I just bought them, and I use a straw. I drink them in a red Solo cup, and I use a straw. And but how awesome is this for going to the restaurants? I have to say, favorite thing in the box. Sorry, Lucia, but this is my favorite thing in the box. And then CP1 Premium Silk Ampule for dry and damaged hair. If my hair is going to turn out like yours or Sue's or Vicky's. And then I saved this last thing because, oh, she must get Scentsy. Blood Orange Spice. I told her I liked the things for the warmers. Oh my God. So love this box. You have to check out her channel, and she's so close to getting monetized. She's like literally minutes away from getting monetized, so please check out her channel. So she sent me all these things that I don't even have, and we get a lot of the same boxes. These pumpkin things are great. I got to figure out how to work the shower steamer, but that looks awesome. Of course, my favorite thing in the box is this straw, and I have to figure out how to use my IV masks. Let me know if you have these and if you've used them. So loving both the bags that she sent me, and this I'm gonna have, I make iced tea. So this was a great box. So again, I'm gonna look for the other video. I'm pretty sure we did a box exchange, and I love that one as well. I don't know what the smell is. I mean, what this is for. I'm assuming it's a room spray. Totally love that. So thank you so much. And she will hopefully be posting my video soon, and hopefully she enjoyed it as well. And you guys just have an awesome day.